Hello, I'm 43 years old. Would you believe me with this wig on? Probably. What's up, guys? It's your girl Lily, aka Queen Sorry, and I am back with another video. So guys, as you can already tell by the title of this video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this wig that I got off of Aliexpress. And yes, this wig is under $100, so if you're interested, stay tuned. First things first, you want to make sure that your hairline is clean. So what I did was take alcohol 70%. I don't think it really matters the percent, but take that, put it on a tissue or a cotton pad or whatever, and just make sure you wipe your hairline, making sure it is free of all oils and gunk. Initially putting on the wig, you can already tell that the lace color is way too light for my skin tone, so I will be tinting the lace later on in this video. And I also want to let you guys know that I did pluck the hairline of this wig, but there is not much plucking space because this is not a lace front wig, it is a non-lace wig, so I did not have much space to pluck and I couldn't go into details. And I will show you guys that the lace, the wefts are literally right there. So I couldn't do much. So this is the inside of this wig. Y'all, let me tell you something. This wig did not come with not one comb, zero. It came with no combs inside. So if you need combs to hold your wig to your head, this is not the wig for you. But it does come with an adjustable strap if that helps you. And yeah, you can see that there is no lace parting whatsoever. So yes, I tinted my lace here. Oh, and if you guys want to know how I tint my lace, it is such an easy and affordable process. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I will have a video up there showing you guys how I do it. Checking if it blends in. Yep. So let's get into cutting this lace off. So what I used was some eyebrow trimmers or razor and some small manicure scissors. This is a method I've seen done like everywhere, and what they do is basically cut the lace into parts before actually cutting the lace according to your hairline. And I think this method makes it so much easier. I've never actually tried it before, so you guys are viewing my first time doing it. But I felt like it made the process easier. Y'all, I'm sorry, I cannot cut lace in front of the camera. It's hard enough doing it in a mirror. So I went off camera and I cut the lace according to my hairline. And here it is. Okay, okay. Trying to see if it fits ear to ear. Making sure it covers my sideburns because they're hella long for no reason. So of course, if you've ever had curly hair, you know water plus curly hair makes the curls pop. They look nice, honey. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just wetting it. Don't mind my faces. Water is getting all over me. But yeah, make sure your hair is wet if you have curly hair. If you're gonna get this wig, I think you guys should because it's bomb. But they're not even sponsoring me, so what am I saying? Anyways, I wet the hair and then I brushed it to make the hairline clear, because I'm going to show you guys how I actually install this hair, and it is the easiest way possible. So I take some edge control and I basically put it all around the lace at the front. And of course, this method is not like using actual like hair glue. It won't last for like days and days, probably just for one day. But this right here is a game changer. So y'all take notes, because the way this hair lays just by using edge control, honey, this is it. Okay, this is it. Just watch. Bam. Look at that. Where is the lace? Don't look too close because I know you can still see it. But like, this is only edge control. And look how good it looks. Anywho, I'm just parting my hair now, making sure there's a part so I can like style it and whatnot. So to style this hair, I used the Pro Line Comb Through Softener, and I put it all over this hair mixed with water to make the curls pop even more, because this wig is giving me curls. Y'all, do not forget to define your part. Although it may be a 1-inch part, it still needs to be seen, honey. Define it. So this is just the way that I decided to style this hair. Kind of cute, whatnot. Yeah, so getting into the details of this hair now. So this is the Monstar Short Pixie Cut Wig Cheap Bob Curly Human Hair Wig Brazilian Remy Black Color Wigs for Women Pre-Plucked with Baby Hair. That's a whole mouthful. But yeah, so the brand is Monstar Official Store on Aliexpress, and I got this here. It is the non-lace part wig, 150% density, and I paid $43.33 for this wig. Y'all, that's not bad. It's kind of cute, not like, I don't know, like, it's definitely like not my style, like not my go-to at all, but like, I think it's kind of cute. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments down below. Tell me what you guys think about this wig. To me, it's giving me mom vibes, but then it's also giving me like kind of like cute little like I don't know, like cute vibes. Like, I don't know, y'all just tell me what you think about this wig on me or in general in the comments down below. Obviously you can style it like a bunch of different ways. Oh, they do have an option for, I think, 13 by, what is it, 13, hold on, 13 by 1 lace wig. So you can get that one. It's more expensive though, but I got this one, the non-lace one, because it's cheaper. Yeah, and I'm not really good with lace anyways, so yeah, I did my best. I tried my best.
Well, I tried my best. I did my best.
Tell me what you guys think. Oh yeah. Hello, I'm 43 years old. Would you believe me with this wig on? Probably. So guys, this is it for this video. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Like, should I keep this wig? What should I do with it? Is it my style? Is it not my style? Should I stay away from this style? Like, let me know. Let your girl know. Because it's giving me cute and mom vibes at the same time. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end, of course. Before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so that you are notified every time I post. And also guys, follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok. You can even add me on Snapchat if you want. Twitter I don't really use, but yeah, follow me on all my social media platforms. So guys, Thank you so much for watching this to the end, of course. God bless you all, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!